Hello people, in this video let us look at the classification of acquired cataract. So where are we currently? Let's take a check. We looked at what cataract is, opacity of the lens or the lens capsule, which will cause impairment of vision. And in this you have so many types, congenital and acquired. Congenital classification we have already seen in the previous video. Morphological also we have seen in the previous video. So now in this we will look at the acquired classification, acquired cataract classification. Remember, acquired is because of degeneration. Okay. Symptoms of these people will be slow, painless, defective vision. Painless it will be, slowly they will lose vision. Diplopia, polyopia, glare they will have, and they can see colored halos. So in the last video we have looked at the morphological classification and we looked at the congenital classification. In this video let us look at the classification of acquired cataract. So in this you have main types you look at. Senile cataract, age related. So above 50 years they can develop cataract which is age related. Senile, remember degeneration is the cause for acquired cataract. Here UV light exposure etc. will be the cause. Senile cataract itself is a whole new topic for you. In senile itself you have nuclear, cortical, you have immature like this one, you have mature, then you have hyper mature. So many types are there in senile. Guys, we'll look at senile cataract separately. Now look at the acquired cataract. Traumatic cataract, like rosette cataract. See, this is a rosette cataract, what you're seeing here. And it looks like a rosette. This is a rosette, okay? So you can see it looks like that, right? Are you able to see? This color is not good. Wait, let's take a better color. See? Rosette cataract. This is because of trauma. Okay, so you're done with age, trauma, then complicated cataract. Complicated cataract, like they are showing here, is after healed iridocyclitis, that is anterior uveitis, right? So because of some problem in the eye, then after that problem, this person got a complicated cataract, like due to the disease of the eye, like uveitis, glaucoma, retinitis pigmentosa, myopia, high myopia, etc. Remember here, usually it will be posterior subcapsular. All this you can know, complicated cataract because of disease of the eye. Then you have metabolic cataract. We're looking at metabolic cataract. Metabolic cataract can be like because of diabetes or because of Wilson's disease. So look at this one. This is diabetic cataract, snowflake. Okay, snowflake appearance. This is also snowflake appearance. Wilson's disease is because of copper, right? Copper metabolism will have problem. You can see here sunflower cataract. Then there's yet another photo of myotonic dystrophy, Christmas tree like. Can you see a Christmas tree like here? Maybe. Okay, this is myotonic dystrophy. This is stellate, posterior subcapsular cataract. So guys, half of acquired cataract we have seen. Half means what and all did we see? Senile, age related, most common this will be traumatic, complicated, metabolic. So some problem with the eyes, some metabolic problems, some trauma, some age related we have seen. Now let us move on to the other acquired cataract forms. Here you have electric cataract. Electric means what? These people got some electric shock or something. So here they are saying that yes, this is because of passage of powerful electric current through the body. The cataract usually starts as punctate subcapsular opacities which mature rapidly. Okay. So punctate subcapsular opacities which mature rapidly, that's electric. Now let's go to radiational cataract. Here because of radiation, what radiation can there be? X-rays, gamma rays, and then neutrons, you can remember guys, X-rays, gamma rays, neutrons. Okay, where will you see this guys? Because of irradiation, people who work in atomic energy plants etc., or people who were treated for malignant tumors, they were exposed to radiation, isn't it? Also technicians who work here who were not adequately protected. Then they are talking about heat, because of heat. So this is like glass blowers, glass workers cataract because of radiation, IR radiation. The textbook says that this one glass blower, they can have discoid posterior subcapsular, discoid posterior subcapsular in these people, glass blower. UV light will actually lead to what? Senile cataract. Shall we move on to the next category here? Toxic toxic cataract, right? So let's move on to toxic. Toxic cataract can be because of steroid induced. Remember, steroids can induce glaucoma also. Here they can induce cataract also. Then strong miotics like ecothiophate. Then in copper and chalcosis, you have seen the same sunflower cataract, just like Wilson's disease. Then a lot of other drugs, if you want, you can remember. Amiodarone, busulfan, gold, all these you can remember. How's it going, people? We're almost at the end of the acquired cataract. Don't worry. So then we have cataract associated with skin disease, dermatogenic. They are saying cataract associated with osseous diseases. Then miscellaneous syndromes are there. Lowe syndrome, Down syndrome, myotonic dystrophy we saw, right? Some other Collins, Treacher Collins syndrome. That should be Treacher Collins syndrome, right? Guys, we're done with the acquired cataract types classification. Let's take a recap now. So you have senile cataract, age-related, above 50 years kind of a thing because of their age. They have exposure to sunlight so much that they would have developed cataract. You have traumatic cataract, which can be rosette cataract. Complicated cataract will be disease of eye by like uveitis, glaucoma, retinitis pigmentosa, high myopia, etc. Metabolic cataract you can have like in diabetes, Wilson's disease, galactosemia. Remember, galactosemia is because of what? They are intolerant to milk, isn't it? They can have this oil droplet, bilateral oil droplet cataract, okay? I'll show you that. This will be bilateral, remember, oil droplet cataract and galactosemia. It looks nice, right? Then guys, you can have hypocalcemic tetanic also, cataract, then myotonic dystrophy, Christmas tree-like appearance, etc. Lowe syndrome because of amino acid metabolism. So first slide of acquired cataract classification over. Let's move on to the second slide. Here you have electric because of electricity. Then you have radiational. Under that you have IR, that is heat, irradiation, like X-ray, gamma, you have to write. Then UV light can cause senile, that you already saw. Toxic cataract, remember, because of drugs like steroids, amiodarone, busulfan, etc. Copper, chalcosis, iron, siderosis. Copper, chalcosis, you have seen, what is it? Because of alloy of copper, you have seen what? Sunflower cataract. Even in Wilson's disease, you'll have seen. Guys, you have to write all this under toxic. Then moving on. Cataract associated with skin diseases. Then cataracts associated with osseous diseases, cataract with miscellaneous syndromes. There you can write the same thing. Dystrophica, myotonica, Lowe's, you already saw these two, right? With Down syndrome also they have written. Like we told you, senile cataract itself is a huge topic. So we'll look at senile cataract separately. So in senile cataract, you can have nuclear or cortical. In the cortical one, they have incipient, immature, mature, hypermature, or Morgagnian cataract. Then you have sclerotic cataract, etc. These are all senile. This one is early nuclear cataract. This one is immature. This one is mature. This is hypermature. So this is mature. A is mature cataract, right? Then this one is hypermature. This one is Morgagnian. You can see the nucleus has gone down. And this is saying some total liquefaction. This one. Guys, cuneiform means these wedge-shaped characters, okay? Usually it refers to cortical cataract where it starts from periphery. Okay, so these are cuneiform cataracts. So cuneiform means if you search, actually you'll get something like this, wedge-shaped characters, okay? That will be cuneiform. Which cataract is this? Rosette, yes. When does it come? In trauma. Very good. Then this one, complicated cataract after healed iridocyclitis. Next. This one is snowflake, diabetic, very good. When will you see oil drop? Galactosemia, it will be bilateral. Which is this one? Sunflower in Wilson's disease and in chalcosis. Then this one is Christmas tree, myotonic dystrophy. There's another terminology, guys, called a secondary cataract or after cataract. This comes after the cataract surgery. The person will develop cataract again. So this has separate video. You can look at that. Hope you have learned acquired cataract. Bye bye.